Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make super moist, delicious chocolate cake. Stay tuned to the end and I hope you guys will enjoy. So for this recipe, I used 4 egg whites. I went ahead and added 1 cup of powdered sugar. But don't worry yourself, you can also use the caster sugar if you have it. Then I used my electric mixer to mix all the two together until the egg whites and the caster sugar doubled up in size and became thick. So guys, for you to achieve the best results, I recommend you using an electric mixer. It saves you time and also the energy. At this point, I had whisked it for around like 5 minutes, 8 minutes. So that's the perfect state, guys. When you hold down your mixture, it's not supposed to fall down, it's not supposed to slide, it's supposed to be that thick. You're going to set this aside and use it later. The next step, I'm going to take my egg yolks, which I separated from the egg whites, and in this case there are 4. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. I will then go ahead and add a half a cup of cocoa powder. In this case, I'm using the Cadbury cocoa powder. I'm going to make a paste using warm water. And I'll add in the paste to my egg yolks. My next step, I added in a half cup of custard sugar. Then I added in 85 ml, that is a third a cup of cooking oil. Then I later added in hot water, that is 1 cup, equal to 250 ml. And guys, when you add in the hot water, you have to give it a stir to avoid the eggs from cooking. So you have to stir and add the water gradually as you stir it. At this point, I added in my flour. Unfortunately, I lost the video, but what I added into my flour was 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder. You're going to go ahead and mix all this together to form a thick paste that can easily run when you pour into a tin. So guys, you remember that mixture that we set aside? Now, what you're going to put there is the cake mixture. You're going to pour it in and mix the two together until they're evenly combined to form a nice, smooth cake mix. Then you can go ahead and lay your spread or baking sheets into a tin that you're using to bake on and pour the mixture into those tins and off into the oven. So you're going to bake this cake at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. And there you have it, guys, chocolate cake. And I can't lie to you, this is the most delicious chocolate cake I've ever tasted. It's so moist, it just melts down your mouth. And guys, if you like this recipe, kindly give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to try it out. I'm going to leave it on the description box below for you guys to follow. And if you're new, kindly subscribe. I'll be giving you recipes of cakes, of pastries I make, and dishes I make weekly. Thank you for watching.